Namaste, I am Dr. Suresh Isave, the developer of this MOOC course, AI Smart Teacher, conducted by SP Mandali's Tilak College of Education, Pune. I wish you all the best for this course. The purpose of this course is to make the teachers and student teachers aware about how to use AI tools smartly, and secondly, what are the different tools those can help teachers to perform their role in a better way. Today is 5th of March and the course material is available for the study. So let me show you how to access this study material on this course platform. So first log in to your course by using the passwords, login, and then come to over here. Now see, there is tabs: home, announcement, syllabus, and modules, discussion and grades. So now you will have to go to first modules to access the study material. These are the different study materials available to study. These are links, it showed those are links. This is 1.1 Introduction to Artificial Intelligence Education. Let us click on it. So it may be directly opening on the second or new tab, or you will have to click over here. You will click in, if it is not open automatically, click on this open. It will take you to YouTube and you can watch the videos on YouTube. So these all videos are on YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, subscribe it, because you will receive the notification whenever the course material is available. So again click on the module, so you will find over there. Then again click on second module, watch the video, click on this, it will take you to YouTube. So these are YouTube videos. Again, if you're coming back, either you can click over here or you can click on module. So all these are videos, and some of them are PDF files. Like see, let us come over here, Indian government guidelines. So one of our PDF files. These are PDF files. So go through it, read it thoroughly, so you will understand the content. So study material is available in two forms. One is YouTube videos, and second are PDF files, reports, different reports given by different commissions, committees, agents. And whenever you access it, I will come to know who is accessing and who is not accessing. All the records have been kept by the platform. So try to access all the material, because if you want to get the certificate, you must complete the 30 hours. So access all the links. Tabs, home. Home is a home page. There you will find the latest announcement and the modules, whatever material are available. Then you could go to announcement section. Try to visit regularly to announce section, because in this announcement you will see all the regular announcement, like when MCQ test is there, when module 2 will be available, when all the things, the next procedure, everything will be declared over here. Don't depend on that WhatsApp group. I will not share anything on the WhatsApp group. All the announcement, every updates will be shared in the announcement section of this platform. So try to visit every time. When you want to see, read it detail, just click on this title. All the details of, if you want to reply, you can reply, you can make the reply, or you can type your reply over here if you have any query, anything about that. So at present your purpose should be to study all the links, to go through from 1.1 to 1.5 all the links and study material. Studies thoroughly. After a few days you will have MCQ test on basis on this. It will also available over here. It will see when I will develop it, you will see the quiz tab over here, because it is not published, that's why it's not visible. But whenever that will publish, I will make a separate video on it and will post how to access about that MCQ test and quiz. So all the very best. Use these links, use this study material smartly, and try to be AI smart teacher.